Hello friends, this is Akshay Mure, working as a assistant professor, Department of Botany at JMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Sinnar. Friends, today we are going to discuss about our next paper, that is the genetics and evolution. Friends, this is paper number third, BO 333 genetics and evolution. We are going to see the syllabus. Topic number first, introduction. Friends, in that topic we have to study definition of genetics, concept of heredity and variation, and branches and application of genetics. Friends, all this topic we have to study on this unit. Next unit, that is Mendelism. In that topic we have to study genetical terminology. So, for example, that what is allele, what is gene, heredity, variation, etc., etc. Second one is selection of experimental material, that is monohybrid cross, law of dominance, incomplete dominance, law of segregation, or law of purity of gametes, dihybrid cross, law of independent assortment, and back cross and test cross. All this point we have to study in that topic. Next, that is a unit number third, interaction of genes. Friends, in that topic we have to study non-epistatic genetic interaction and epistatic genetic interaction. In non-epistatic genetic interaction we have to study complementary genes, that is a 9 as to 7 ratio, and duplicate genes is to 15 as to 1 ratio. And epistatic gene interaction, uh, making genes, that is a 12.3.1 ratio, supplementary genes or a recessive epitype, epistatis, that is a 9 as to 3 as to 4, and inhibitory genes, that is 13 as to 3 ratio. Next one, lethal genes, 2 as to 1, and concept of inheritance of coat color in mice, and inheritance of sickle cell anemia. So all this topic we have to study in that unit. Next unit, that is unit number 4, multiple alleles. So in that unit we have to study a definition of alleles, concept, characters of multiple alleles, and example of multiple alleles. That is the inheritance of blood group in human, compatibility in nicotine, and eye color of Drosophila. Next, unit number 5, that is linkage and crossing over. So in that unit we have to study linkage, their definition and types. And second point is crossing over. So in that point we have to study definition of crossing over and its type, construction of linkage mapped by 2-point test cross and 3-point test cross ratio. So all those points we have to study in that unit, that is unit number 5. Next, unit number 6, friends. Unit number 6, quantitative and cytoplasmic inheritance. So in that topic we have to study concept of quantitative inheritance, difference between qualitative and quantitative traits, inheritance of quantitative traits in maize. Second one is cytoplasmic inheritance. So in that topic we have to study definition of cytoplasmic inheritance and their concept. So next one, chloroplast. In that topic we have to study variation in 4 o'clock plants, and next one, mitochondria. In mitochondria we have to study uh, peptide mutants in yeast. So all those topics we have to study studied in uh, unit number 6. So next unit, that is unit number 7, sex linked inheritance. So in that unit we have to study concept of sex chromosomes and autosomes, inheritance of X-linked genes, that is eye color in Drosophila, inheritance of color blindness in human. Next one, inheritance of Y-linked genes. In that topic we have to study uh, holondric genes in humans, and next point, sex influence genes. So in that topic we have to study baldness in humans, sex limited gene, that is a fathering in domestic fowl. So all those points we have how to study in that is unit number 7. Next, unit number 8, this sorry, that is euploidy and aneuploidy. So in that topic we have to study numerical changes in chromosome, that is euploidy and aneuploidy, euploidy, monoploidy, origin of production and morphology and their uses. Next one, polyploidy. In the topic we have to study concept of polyploidy and its characteristics. Next one, autopolyploidy. So the topic we have to study origin and production of autopolyploidy and its effects and uses. Next, allopolyploidy. In the topic we have to study concept, synthesize allopolyploidy and evolutionary significance of polyploidy. Next one, monosomy and nullisomy. So in that topic we have to study origin and cytology, trisomy in the Tura and humans. So all those points we have to study in unit number 8. So next unit, that is chromosomal aberrations. So in that topic we have to study the types and structural changes in chromosome. Next one in deletion, types of deletion, cytology and genetical effect. Next point is a duplication. So in that topic we have to study types of duplication and cytology, position effect of and bari phenotype in Drosophila. Next one, inversion and its types and their cytology, translocation, types of translocation and its complexes. And next one, variation in chromosome morphology, that is isochromosomes, ring chromosomes and Robertsonian translocation. So all those points we have to study in unit number 9. Next, that is unit number 10, evolution. So in that topic we have to study introduction and theories of evolution. So this is a very important topic. Uh, in the topic we have to study the concept of organic evolution, theories of evolution, pre-Darwinian period of theory of inheritance and acquired characters. That is Lamarck, or we call Lamarckism. Next, Darwinism, theory of natural selection and post-Darwinian period, modern synthetic theory. So all those points we have to study in that topic, that is evolution. Next, unit number 11, that is evidences of evolution. So friends, in the topic we have to study direct evidences and conclusion from fossil records, indirect evidences, evidences from genetics and evidences from biogeographical relation. All those points we have to study in that is unit number 11. So next one, that is unit number 12, population genetics and evolution. In that topic we have to study concept of Mendelian populations. Next one, gene pool and its models. Next, Hardy-Wimber's law of gene frequencies and factors affecting allelic frequency and genotypic polymorphism. So all these points we have to study in population genetics and evolution. So friends, hope you understand this syllabus. Thank you.